case you forgot who I am. You know what our edges over in our classmates, aside from our desire to be sexy, attractive, captivating, and ravishing. That is, we are quite pleased to work and building towards a goal or achieving an objective. We are pragmatic, and we have a way of making people think that we care whomever we are talking to, referring to, or serving. Erica, I believe that you could become an accomplished chemist or physicist, and Elisa, the best woman you think you could possibly be. And for myself, you can just call me Attorney Paul Alvin Olyan. For Elisa, Boy, Jerome, and Freddy, if there are two words to describe you all, that would be balance and harmony. Edson, as a future dance instructor, learn to balance your steps and square those shoulders. And boy, learn to balance your weight so you may fly high like Michael Jordan. Femi, learn to balance the books so you may become an effective accountant someday. And lastly, Jerome, find that balance so you may pursue your dreams to be the next Carlos Santana. One day, people may adore you, but others may find you are not their cup of tea. Superficially, it seems irrelevant, but actually, it is of special significance to all of you. To Krista and Shane, the most intriguing and you leave an imprint on people. Krista, from now on, learn to wave your hands on the stands because you will need it once you become a PBA star player. And to you, Shane, if you are a color, you are bright crimson. You signify power, especially the power to heal. Good choice, be a pediatrician. To Leia, Angie, Jamal, Mambo, and Ed, you are the philosophers who are allowed to analyze and explain. Jamel and Mamu, because you are both missionaries and love the spotlight, will always fill the role of film director and engineer respectively. While Angie, because of his looks and artistry, will fit the role of either Ram or Pink Admiral. And there's nothing wrong with being a black executive as long as you are ready to face the endless consultation of your clients. And lastly, Leia. If you become a dentist, try not to defeat your own purpose, but always continue to hope for the best. To Gaspar, Nihal, Jason, Ben, Alisa, and Will. You may all appear aloof, but actually, you are merely covering your emotions in an effort to protect yourself. You may appear to be saving yourself, conserving, or trying to pick and choose. But definitely, you are not cold and certainly not indifferent. To express yourself is a necessity, and you yourself is important. No wonder Pastor and Hal may end up being in the medical field, either as doctors or owners of hospitals. Jason, because of his toughness and resilience, will become an engineer. Alisa will be the next Mariah Carey. Noel will become a computer programmer. But wait, I thought you were taking up nursing. And to my good friend Ben, who may someday become a guitar building engineer, to be truly happy, you must always partake and participate in the marathon they call life. To Christine, who may someday become a beauty queen, thanks to Excess Love, and Rebecca, a human rights lawyer. Both of you may appear to drift on occasions, but the truth is, you turn your dreams to reality. You may appear mild, but actually you are understanding and receptive. You could smell a mile away if something important is bound to occur. The aura of mystery is an integral part of you. It is magnetic when it draws people toward you. And I am strongly convinced that you will succeed. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all about prophecy. As we travel the path of life, we may always stumble or falter. What is important is that we rise and learn valuable lessons from it. We must never forget that we may also find meaning in life, even when confronted with a hopeless situation, when facing a fate that cannot be changed. For what then matters is to bear witness to the uniquely human potential at its best, which is to transform a personal tragedy into triumph, to turn one's predicament into a human achievement. When we are no longer able to change our situation, then we should be able to extremely challenge to change ourselves. Remember, the bigger the challenge, the greater is the victory. Good evening, and God bless us all.
Thank you very much, junior and senior representatives.
Now it's time for our seniors to give candles to our remaining juniors, and for our juniors to give roses to our partner seniors. We may call on Mr. Marco Gahan and Ms. Leia Rodriguez to lead the ceremony.
Candle is a symbol of life and mission. As we light our candle, it kindles a flame as a symbol of our burning aspiration to inspire the workers. Let the light continue as a gesture of our high sense of ideals in the pursuit of our goals and destiny. May this light serves also as our torch that will guide us to the right path as we tread the road to reach our stars. As the light continues to flame, as the fire continues to burn sweet, the candle continues to burn. While heart is long, try to make the most of it. Live your life as it is. Enjoy it, but live in peace. Plan and carry out your goals before it's too late. Today is the best time for us to dream and plan our goals. The candle is not there forever. Soon, it will be consumed to expire. Soon, it will cease to exist. Today, when living makes every dream happiness, and every tomorrow a vision.